Hi everybody, and welcome back. I built an RC Jet. Let's go see it fly.
This is a do-it-yourself RC Jet. I have a 64mm EDF 3-cell version from my Freewing F18, which is currently undergoing some cosmetic repainting. So I have the F18 engine in here, no actual thrust tube or anything, and no actual intakes, just a couple of cheater holes in there. Hopefully it's enough. It's my own design, and here's my transmitter next to it just for scale. CG is basically in the middle of the wing, basically right here. So not great, but my battery is pretty much all the way forward. So I hope that this one flies.
It's flying. I'm filming with one hand and flying with the other. Full throttle. Barely flew.
Well, this aircraft doesn't exactly gain altitude. It flies in a high angle of attack. It is definitely tail heavy, for you who are wondering. It's flying on a 2200 milliamp 3-cell, and that's all the way in the nose, and the power system I'm running on is not 4-cell compatible, so I can't put a 4-cell on there. But it does barely fly. What I might end up trying to do is cut some more cheater holes in the bottom side, so you see where it's on the top here. I'll probably put some on the bottom side as well, and that should give me a little bit more airflow to the EDF, and thus give me hopefully a little bit more thrust, so I can climb and overcome the inherent tail heavy characteristics of this model. So let's go do that.
Well, I fixed the power issue. Filming with one hand, flying with the other. Oh man. Smart 2200 4-cell in here and my camera. Yay, it's working. DIY jet. Somehow. This is really hard to do, filming with one hand, flying with the other. Nice. Well, there you guys have it. The flights of the RC Jet. The flights were on 3-cell yesterday and 4-cell today. This is the Smart 2200 4-cell, and this was the first time I actually used this specific battery, this specific smart battery. I do have a 2200 3-cell smart battery, but I wasn't using that yesterday. So this was the first flights of this battery today, and it worked really well. I'm happy that it flew. The roll rate and the turning ability is not very good, so I may in the future end up adding a rudder. And another thing, because of the weight, the wings actually bent up. You saw that during flight, but you can really see it when it's on the ground. Well, that's it for this video, guys. Definitely feel free to like this video and subscribe. Alright everybody, I will see you in the next video.